It's February 12th. What are you up to?
Salvaging wire.
Things that you cut out that you're going to try to reuse?
Well, just good sections that we can use for pigtails or whatever else.
I'm not wearing pigtails.
Yeah.
Yeah, what happened to those?
Looks like rats over the years. We think the trailer sat in a field or something for a while because there's rat nests and things in it, so you can see where they were wanting to make their nests right around those corners and turns, and it's all just chewed up.
And yesterday, what all did you do?
Ran new trailer light wiring, built some little brackets, bolted it into the frame, so we've got a good run all the way to the back so I can start running trailer wiring. Also gathering, instead of running, so what they used to have is a lot of conduit wiring all the way around that went back behind the plumbing, the shower, around that wall, and then back this way. Then they also had a run of some stuff running from this exchange, a hole in the floor, whatever you want to call it, over to this side to run up for the refrigerator and some other power. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of 2x2 or 2-inch PVC about 5 feet long and bolt in underneath, and then that way we have a nice, safe, secure thing that rats aren't going to chew up, that road wear and damage isn't going to chew up.
Yeah, because sometimes you run over stuff and that's all you need is...
If you are going through a field or something and there's brush or whatever and you don't want all your wiring getting pulled out.
Exactly.
So I'll bolt that into the frame from one side to the other, and then we'll have a nice clean pass through. I'll drill a hole in it so it doesn't collect moisture. But at least that's the idea, and then we can run power. Short shot, it's just 5 feet instead of 15 feet all the way around and behind.
Cool.
And stuff, so.
Awesome. And I yesterday finished the ceiling and did the ceiling over the bathroom. I've clear coated it with a very high grade clear coat so that it will deflect moisture. I started the wallpapering of the bathroom, again a moisture barrier, and yeah, I'm getting excited about how the roof is going, or the ceiling is going to look. We're, I think, in a more positive mindset today.
On the trailer, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of other
stuff
going on. Unexpected expenses in other parts of our life that it happens.
Yep.
So, yeah, we're on more positive ground with the camper. Good times. Always an adventure.
Oh,